Yeah, that's just what I want to do, rent a camper there. What the hell? What's up, all my digital friends out there in YouTube world? Today we're going to see how this thing does on the interstate. The question is it one of these old bikes like this, can you commute on it? Personally, I'm not going to commute on it because I work near the Atlanta airport and everybody tries to kill you on the roads up there, so that ain't gonna happen. But if you wanted to, we're about to find out. We'll do a little short stretch on the interstate, see what happens, see if she'll keep up with traffic. What the hell's this cat doing? He gonna slow everything up, ain't he? Doing 80, 6,000 RPM, and she's just a singing along. We just going up here this next exit. Yeah, she's singing along, doing good. These old Hondas can run like this all day long. There's 90. What the hell is this? A damn... Is a Brit called a caravan convention? All you motorcyclists out there, never trust a guy hauling a camper. I used to be one of them clowns. Never again. So there you go, guys. What was it? About 80 at 6,000 RPM. I will say wind resistance is quite a bit at those speeds. I mean, I have no fairings in front of me, so Yeah, this guy here looks funky. Yeah, so there's no fairing, so there's a lot of wind resistance. I'll be honest, at 90 it was running out of steam. I think it, you know, I think original road and track test said 120 on this bike. I believe it'll do it. You know, I don't want to abuse this thing like that, but maybe one day I will for you, but just to see what top end is. But what the hell is on my nose? Damn it, man. Yeah, but she'll run 7580 all day long. That's not an issue whatsoever. In fact, I think it liked it. It's got a little pep in her now. Probably cleaned it up. One thing about these old bikes, you don't want to do like Crash Test Goat or Jixer Bra, any of those guys try to run from the law, because yeah, you ain't gonna do it. I mean, back in the day, these were pretty badass bikes, but yeah, compared to today, that cop car will keep up with you today. I don't know if I can find the video. I went down to Pine Mountain a while back. A little, I guess you could call it hills, not far from me. People around here think this is a mountain. But I got gas down there, and I checked my gas mileage. And on that ride, most of it was doing 60 to 65. Anyway, this thing got almost 48 miles per gallon, like 47.9. That's pretty damn good. I mean, considering, you know, most of the time it was running at close to 5,000 RPM. And some of it was on that little mountain stretch. But, oh shit, I forgot about this. Doing some crazy construction. Maybe they actually fixed it. Hey, they may have fixed this. I don't know where all you cats are from, but here in Georgia, somebody has fell in love with freaking roundabouts. I think they went to Europe or saw Lampoon's European Vacation or something. I don't know, but these damn folks around here just love the roundabouts. But if any of y'all got any of these old bikes, let me know what you got. I'd love to see the comments. I like to see where folks are from and stuff like that. It's always interesting to me. But let me know if you've done a top speed run or not. Yeah, but these old bikes are fun. Get a lot of looks on them. If you ever get a chance to buy one, buy one. I'd like to have a modern bike, do a little bit better on the interstate, but you know, no more than I ride. This fits the bill, puts a smile on my face. And it's as old as, well, slightly older than me actually. So would anybody in July in Georgia wear a damn hoodie, a black hoodie, in the sun walking down the road? Something is really, really, really odd there. I don't understand this new Generation Z or Generation dumb shit or whatever the hell is that come out now, but they are stupid. They really are. You think they'll ever wise up and say, hey, maybe I should wear something like light color when the sun's shining and get a little cooler? That don't make no sense to wear a black hoodie in Georgia in July walking down the road. I don't understand anything that goes on in this world anymore. Honestly, I don't even like this black motorcycle jacket I'm wearing. But I know I ain't gonna wash it every day. And any other color is gonna show a lot of dirt. And for some reason, motorcyclists love black. I ain't figured that out either. But at least I'd wear blue jeans. They are riding jeans. They do have the Kevlar and the inserts, but so they are hot. But I ain't wearing no black leather on a day like today. That would not make any sense. Why am I still talking about some damn goofball in a hoodie anyway? Get back to whatever I was doing, which is minding my own damn business, enjoying in my day riding.